Ooh, the rainbirds told me that I shouldn't hide so much, that I shouldn't be so lonely when this hollow world's so full of love. They said it's easy to get out in the storm, told me I'll be happy once I give up on staying warm. Those rainbirds are talking, they say a lot of things. Sounds to me like mocking, 'cause they look at me and they don't see wings. They think they know it, what it's like here on the ground. And they stay up there dancing while the sky is falling down. Ooh, you know it's dark and it's cold, but you still hear our voices. Every day you can ask yourself again, exactly whose the choice is. The rainbirds told me there's a circus in my brain. They say it's such a work of chaos, they've been watching it for days. Well, I say it's a marvel in darkened skies like these, that anybody's out there doing as they please. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, you know it's a long way to go, but the devil's come to hear our voices. Easy to say, but how can you explain exactly whose the choice is? Leaves are dead and frozen, the storm will not refrain, yet those birds are out there singing like it was noon on a summer's day. Well, they don't know what's coming if they don't watch their backs, 'cause I've been getting good at hunting and separating feathers from facts. The rainbirds, I hear them mocking me. The rainbirds, why won't they let me be?